Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. P to T. Green color, brown color, silver color, red color, gold color, black color, violet color, orange color, yellow color, pink color. Green color, P. P for parrot. Green color Q. Q for queen. Green color R for rain. Green color S for strawberry. Green color T for tiger. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for tree. Pink color P for pig. Q for queen. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for tree. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. Red color P for pig. Red color Q for queen. Red color R for rain. Red color S for strawberry. Red color T for tiger. Red color P for pig. Q for quilt. R for rain. S for snake. T for tree. Gold color P for pig. Gold color Q for quilt. Gold color R for rain. Gold color S for strawberry. Gold color T for tiger. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. Black color P for pig. Q for queen. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. P Q R S T S R Q P. Thank you.